Hey friends, welcome back to Healthgenic. Hope you are having a healthy diet plan. Today I am gonna show you secret food that makes your heart healthy. Let's get started. Number 1. Edamame. Edamame is an immature soybean frequently found in Asian cuisine. Like other soya products, edamame is rich in soya isoflavones, a type of flavonoid that may help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. One analysis of 11 studies showed that soya isoflavones reduce total cholesterol by 3.9 mg DL and bad LDL cholesterol by 5 mg DL. Another analysis showed that 50 grams of soya protein per day decreased LDL cholesterol by an average of 3%. If combined with other changes to diet and lifestyle, even slightly reducing your cholesterol levels can have a big impact on your risk of heart disease. One study showed that decreasing total cholesterol levels by just 10% was associated with a 15% lower risk of dying from coronary heart disease. In addition to its isoflavone content, edamame is a good source of other heart-healthy nutrients including dietary fiber and antioxidants. Number 2. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and collard greens are well known for their wealth of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. In particular, they are a great source of vitamin K, which helps protect your arteries and promote proper blood clotting. They are also high in dietary nitrates, which have been shown to reduce blood pressure, decrease arterial stiffness, and improve the function of cells lining the blood vessels. Some studies have also found a link between increasing your intake of leafy green vegetables and a lower risk of heart disease. One analysis of 8 studies found that increasing leafy green vegetable intake was associated with 16% lower incidence of heart disease. Another study in 29,689 women showed that a high intake of leafy green vegetables was linked to a significantly lower risk of coronary heart disease. Number 3. Avocados. Avocados are an excellent source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats which have been linked to reduced levels of cholesterol and a lower risk of heart disease. One study looked at the effects of 3 cholesterol-lowering diets in 45 overweight and obese people, with one of the test groups consuming 1 avocado per day. The avocado group experienced reductions in bad LDL cholesterol, including lower levels of small, dense LDL cholesterol, which are believed to significantly raise the risk of heart disease. Another study including 17,567 people showed that those who ate avocados regularly were half as likely to have metabolic syndrome. Avocados are also rich in potassium, a nutrient that's essential to heart health. In fact, just one avocado supplies 975 milligrams of potassium, or about 28% of the amount that you need in a day. Number 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are loaded with lycopene, a natural plant pigment with powerful antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals, preventing oxidative damage and inflammation, both of which can contribute to heart disease. Low blood levels of lycopene are linked to an increased risk of heart attack and stroke. One review of 25 studies shows that a high intake of foods rich in lycopene was associated with a reduced risk of heart disease and stroke. Another study in 50 overweight women found that eating 2 raw tomatoes 4 times per week increased levels of good HDL cholesterol. Higher levels of HDL cholesterol can help remove excess cholesterol and plaques from the arteries to keep your heart healthy and protect against heart disease and stroke. Number 5. Garlic. For centuries, garlic has been used as a natural remedy to treat a variety of ailments. In recent years, research has confirmed its potent medical properties and found that garlic can even help to improve heart health. This is thanks to the presence of compound called allicin, which is believed to have a multitude of therapeutic effects. In one study, taking garlic extract in doses of 600 to 1500 mg daily for 4 weeks was as effective as a common prescription drug at reducing blood pressure. One review compiled the results of 39 studies and found that garlic can reduce total cholesterol by an average of 17 mg per dl and bad LDL cholesterol by 5 mg/dl in those with high cholesterol. Other studies have found that garlic extract can inhibit platelet buildup, which may reduce the risk of blood clots and stroke. Be sure to consume garlic raw, or cross it and let it sit for a few minutes before cooking. This allows for the formation of allicin, maximizing its potential health benefits. Hope you know something new today, and I am sure you will implement food diet plan that I have shown in the video. Leave a comment of the food that I missed it. Don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. See you guys in our next video.